Sunil, any social cause which is very dear to you, and maybe you're working on this thing, or maybe you have something what you'll be doing it in future.
I work a lot with cancer research, and I work a lot with. I've been working since I was 21 years old. I also believe in educating underprivileged children. I feel the one thing that our country needs is literacy. The one thing that's holding us back is illiteracy, and I feel with education and awareness, our country will move leaps and bounds forward. So if anything that I want to work on and that I am working on is educating India.
Country is working on a campaign like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Like, how much
Well, that's a part of it. That is a part of it. But I think there is more to it. Yes, obviously, if you educate a woman, she is always going to be the one who sabki parvarish karti hai. She is the one who brings up the child. So if a woman is educated, then her children will be educated. And since a mother is always a mother and a woman is always a woman, if you educate women, the country will eventually get educated. So that's a great way of actually educating India is by educating women first.
So now we are talking about women of substance, but do you think in India women are safe and do they achieve what they deserve?
Women are not safe anywhere in the world. Trust me. I'm constantly on Facebook and constantly in the news and stuff like that. You see women being raped, murdered, everywhere in the world. And yeah, we are, I mean, there are more cases in India, I guess, especially in the north. But we need to kind of defend ourselves. We need to, again, it comes down to education and awareness. If you give people the right morals and the right values, these things will not happen, and that comes in a classroom. That might come at home as well, but how do you broaden someone's perspective? How do you make someone open-minded? Is by educating them, is by making them aware. And so it all boils down to education. Everything boils down to education, I feel.